Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a focused puja spot. Choose a clean table or low shelf and clear distractions. Wash the Laddu Gopal carefully with water to remove dust, dry him on a soft cloth, and place him on a small pedestal or decorated plate. Once done, lay a fresh cloth beneath and arrange kumkum, haldi, a small bowl of water, and 1/2 cup milk within easy reach. This sets a respectful foundation and prevents spills during later rituals, so take this step slowly. You now dress and consecrate the murti. Choose a small garment or silk scrap that fits snugly yet allows movement. Begin abhishek with 3 gentle pours, water first to purify, milk second to cool, and a touch of honey or ghee last for sweetness. Each pour symbolizes care and devotion. Make sure to use a spoon or pipette for control. Dry him gently with a soft cloth. Once dressed, apply a small kumkum and haldi tilak to the forehead to complete the sanctification. You finish by situating Laddu Gopal thoughtfully. Place him facing east or north on a stable base so he won't tip. Light a small diya or incense, offer 2-3 fresh flowers, and feed a sweet offering like a small laddu. This maintains the ritual bond. Make sure to clean the area daily and replace offerings. If a cloth stains during abhishek, pause, wash the garment with mild soap, redo the abhishek steps on the murti, and let everything dry completely before redressing to avoid mildew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.